Hi everyone, our doorbell's been sounding weird. I want to show you. Dad, test your doorbell. Right away. Now let's wait until it turns. Really? Just ignore that. It always does that. Just ignore it. Really? This type of quality is horrible. It makes a lot of horrible noises. This quality is horrible. And this doorbell sounds horrible. And it sounds like some weird garbage going on inside it. I don't know the battery exploded in there because we have backup battery power in it. Oh my.